Hello everybody, it's Dan here, Feldmann Imports, Mercedes-Benz, and we're back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Going to show you some of the exterior and interior features of this 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This vehicle is for sale. We're just going to do a quick little highlight, show you some of those key features, some of the fun cosmetic things like the Mercedes-Benz badging you'll find on the outside here. If you're interested in learning more about the vehicle, you got a question about some of the features you see kind of highlighted here today, if you want to set up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. Blind spot assist here. Again, we've got the white exterior and this really nice beige interior. Got some like black accents. You also got some wood grain accent trim here as well. So we'll start here on the driver door side. Your driver seats are power memory seats as well as heated seats. We've got our premium Burmester upgraded speaker package installed. We've got some nice silver accents as well on your door handle, as well as the center console and steering wheel. So driver seat there, sunroof, stretching from the front to the rear. And let's go ahead and hop inside. All right, mileage on this vehicle currently at 877. We do have a push button ignition. And here is a good look at our steering wheel. All kinds of things we could talk about here. I'll just give you a brief overview. Kind of on your right side here up top, we've got home screen button and the back button, as well as a little touchpad here for controlling your main display. Below that you've got your volume controls, as well as Bluetooth phone settings for answering or declining a call. On the left side here, we've got our cruise control options here, and then a very similar interface for the driver's side. So fully customizable, so you can kind of keep your eyes a little closer to the road. Yeah, pretty cool. Behind that, you'll notice some paddle shifters on both sides. You've got your wiper controls and turn signal there, and then our shifter. So you'll flip up for reverse, which then activates your backup camera. Flip down for drive, and then push in for park. Okay, coming back to our display here. So it is a touchscreen, so I showed you, one option here on your steering wheel to control it, but it's also a full touchscreen, so you can use that as well. So we've got different seat settings. You've got ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle, so that's all fully customizable as well. So you can really make it very unique and personalized to whatever you're into. A little tricky to see in here, a little kind of a bright day, but yeah, you'll find those ambient LED lighting, the doors, the dash, underneath, down by the pedals, and so on. All right, so we've got our radio here. We've got our climate menu as well. You've got a dynamic select switch here, so that'll switch between the different performance modes, eco, comfort, sport, or your own individual settings. You can set up however you'd like. We've got parking assistance, which I'd love to show you how that would work here in our parking lot. A little tricky to pull off here on the turntable, but once again, reach out to us. We'd love to chat with you about that. Below your display, you've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connections, cup holders, little center console storage, a couple more USB connections. Coming up above the dash, a little tricky to see, but we've got our sunroof controls here. So you'll actually just do one of those and that'll slowly open up your sunroof, and then vice versa to close it. Same with the sunshade. Go ahead and turn that off. We'll hop out. Show you the rear seats here next. I just really love this like two-tone look that we have here. Super sharp. Rear seats. Another look up at your sunroof. let's do one more quick peek back up front. All right. And coming around to the rear of the vehicle, we have our badging, C300 Mercedes-Benz and the 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Some brand new all-weather mats back there for you. If you do need a little extra storage, we do have these buttons here. You can quickly flip down those rear seats in case you just need a little extra storage. Just flip it down right there, and down she goes. All right, then push button to close. So once again, just a quick overview of our 2024 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more, we'd love to chat with you. Just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.